Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming that Face ID is enrolled in settings. This is essential. Open the Target app and navigate directly to its security or login settings to enable biometric sign-in. Once done, make sure your device camera is clean, unobstructed, and you have steady, even lighting so the sensor can capture your face. You will be guided to authenticate. Follow on-screen prompts and position your face inside the highlighted frame. This first step sets up the trusted link between app and Face ID. Now you authorize and link Face ID to the app. Tap Enable Face ID or use Face ID when prompted, and accept permission requests. The app will require your device passcode to confirm identity. Enter it to complete the link. Once authorized, the app stores a secure token so you won't re-enter credentials each time. To confirm everything worked, log out and then sign back in using Face ID. If the app offers additional options like fallback auth or timeout, make choices that match your security needs. Finish by testing the flows that should use Face ID, quick unlock, payments, or access to secure sections so you see practical behavior. Make sure to review app-specific settings for timeout duration or required reauthentication and set a fallback passcode if needed. If recognition fails, try toggling Face ID off in the app, then re-enable it. You can also reset Face ID in device settings and re-enroll. As a single troubleshooting tip, reboot your device after permission changes to clear cached authentication states.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.